This is a ring sizer made of plastic. These are also ring sizers. These ones are made of metal. Now this is Ultrahuman. They're the company that make the smart rings, like so. And this is their ring sizing kit. They sent it to me so that I can find out the correct size for my finger, and then they're going to send me over the Ultrahuman Air, which is the smart ring from their company. Beautiful packaging, nice and heavy duty, definitely nice and tough, also recycled. As you can see in here, suggests that you should pass this box around, don't just throw it away when you're finished with it. Give it to friends and family who are interested in the ring so that they don't have to order multiple different kits. Right, so this is a bit of information here. So you need to wear the ring for at least 2 nights so that you can make sure that your finger doesn't get too hot and swell up and the ring becomes uncomfortable. Make sure you pick the right one. The right color is also important. Raw titanium's their new color. It looks very, very nice. Reminiscent of the Apple Watch Ultra, of course. Aster Black. This is like the Apple Watch Space Black. Matte Grey. Nice classic matte color. And then we've got Space Silver, which is like a sterling silver color. Very, very nice. Nice high shine. And Bionic Gold, which is like an 18 karat gold. Again, very, very nice, especially if you're wearing it on your ring finger. Don't forget to subscribe. Right, so here it is. This is the ring sizing kit. So over time they disintegrate. They're biodegradable. So anyway, this is the ring. It's got a flat edge there, and that's where most of the electronics are and the charging, the battery and things. And that needs to go to the bottom of your hand, the palm of your hand, just like so. So make sure you choose a finger where it's not too tight, not too loose, and then when the weather's a bit cold you can move it up or down a size. Right, these ones are for people with smaller fingers, men and women with smaller hands, smaller fingers. Again, they've all got the flat side so you know which way to put them. Very, very nice quality. Right, so 2 thumbs up for that. My ring's on the way, so keep watch for the unboxing of the ring when it arrives, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.